InstaDoodle's sales page makes it look like the easiest whiteboard tool on the market. After using it for several months, I can tell you the sales page is telling the truth, just not the whole truth.
Can you see my screen, guys?
Yes.
Let me show you what's actually waiting on the other side of that buy button. Let's start with the AI wizard mode. At first, it looks like this is the easiest way to create an entire whiteboard video. I had only been using it for one day, and after experimenting with it for a little while, a notification suddenly popped up saying that I had run out of credits. Think about that for a second. You buy the software expecting a full whiteboard studio, as promo says.
The only limit is your imagination.
But what you really get is a fancy editor and a pay-as-you-go AI meter running in the background. That's where I started realizing that many of the AI features shown in the promotional material aren't actually included by default. His explanation is that AI generation has an ongoing cost, so those features can't simply be unlimited. The problem, at least from my perspective, is that this isn't something heavily emphasized in the main promotional video. Instead, you usually discover it only after you've already purchased the software and started using it. So let's skip the wizard mode and switch to manual mode. This is the main dashboard. Here you'll find several different panels, including the option called Generate with AI. But once again, clicking it brings up another message telling me that I don't have enough credits. It's basically like buying a car where the steering wheel is locked until you pay extra for the key. As you continue exploring the software, you start noticing more features that are either limited or locked behind additional credits. It's only at this stage that you begin to understand exactly what's included and what isn't. Now let's talk about the AI itself. Even when I did have AI credits available, I wasn't particularly impressed by the results. Take a look at these examples. Without reading the script, it's often difficult to understand exactly what's happening in the generated scenes. Some illustrations look unfinished, character proportions change, and in some cases the artwork feels almost random, as if the AI wasn't quite sure what it wanted to create. Of course, AI image generation is still evolving, so I wasn't expecting perfection. But when every generation consumes credits, inconsistent results become much more frustrating because every failed attempt costs something. One feature that is available without AI credits is the background remover. Sometimes it works surprisingly well. Other times, not so much. For the price of the software itself, I'd say that's about the level of value I expected. Beyond that, once you start paying for additional AI features and subscriptions, I think it's worth comparing InstaDoodle with other tools on the market before spending more money. Now, I've been using this software on and off for several months at this point, so this isn't a first impression review. In my case, I actually requested a refund. Instead, the company offered me a pro upgrade along with several additional features, and I accepted that offer instead of getting my money back. At the time, I understood that I wouldn't have unlimited AI story generation, and I was okay with that. However, there was still an option to generate illustrations from your own images. Later, that feature also became credit-based. So, in practice, my Pro upgrade gradually became less valuable because features that were previously available started requiring credits as well. Another thing worth mentioning is what InstaDoodle calls its community. People mainly join to test new features, provide feedback, and watch product demonstrations. It doesn't feel like a place where members regularly collaborate or help each other. So, let's see what all of this actually costs. First, you have the base purchase for $37. Then there's the Color Splash add-on for $67, followed by InMotion, which is another $67. After that, you'll probably want the AI voice feature, which costs $27. On top of that, there's the monthly credit subscription, which costs $47 per month. So, you're looking at roughly $200 up front, plus $47 every month for credits. I'm not sure if the Pro plan is still available. It gives you access to a larger library of pre-made characters, which I received for free after requesting a refund. So, I'm not sure how much it costs now. You can write that in the comments. And honestly, don't be surprised if they release even more paid add-ons in the future, such as a consistent character feature or something similar. When I first bought InstaDoodle, several of these upgrades didn't even exist. Of course, InstaDoodle isn't the only product they sell. They also have products like ClipB and several others, and you'll find very similar user reviews for those as well because they follow the same business model. Overall, I think InstaDoodle has potential, and there are some good ideas behind it. It's just unfortunate that the marketing creates expectations that don't always match the experience once you start using the software. I hope you found this video helpful and enjoyed it, so I'll see you in the next video.